In this video, I will show you exactly how to change the DPI settings in CorelDRAW to ensure your designs always have perfectly sharp detail. Whether you are prepping a project for a professional high-quality print or simply creating graphics for the web, getting your resolution settings right from the very beginning is a crucial step for any designer. To get started, go ahead and open up CorelDRAW on your computer. Your first task is to create a fresh workspace. So navigate to the top menu, click on File, and then select New. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow, you can simply press Ctrl and N at the same time to bring up the setup screen. Once the Create a New Document window appears on your screen, you need to look carefully for the specific field labeled Rendering Resolution. This is where the magic happens for your image quality. Click on the small drop-down menu next to it to see all of your available options. Now, choosing the right number here depends entirely on what you plan to do with your final design. If you are working on a print layout like a professional brochure, a sleek business card, or a vibrant promotional flyer, you should definitely select 300 DPI. This high setting ensures that every single line and color remains crisp when it hits the paper. On the other hand, if your project is purely for digital use, such as a social media banner or a website image, you should choose a lower setting, like 72 or 96 DPI. These lower values keep your file sizes manageable, while still looking great on digital screens. Once you have made your selection based on your specific needs, just click the OK button at the bottom of the window to apply the changes.